Welcome to Autumn Glow. This month, we explore home and garden decoration ideas to embrace the warm and captivating spirit of fall. Start with a warm living room that invites cozy vibes. Add pillows, blankets, and warm colors to make your home feel comforting. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Copper utensils and seasonal flower arrangements add a rustic, warm touch. The entryway is the first impression. Decorate with a leaf-patterned rug and lanterns to welcome guests warmly. Create a relaxing bedroom retreat. Wool blankets and warm lighting provide a soothing atmosphere. Transform your garden into a magical fall pathway. Soft lights and fallen leaves create a peaceful ambience. Set up an outdoor dining area with pumpkins and candles to celebrate the season with cozy al fresco meals. Enhance your porch with seasonal wreaths and pumpkin displays to greet visitors with festive charm. Decorate the fireplace area with garlands and candles to make your living space warm and inviting. Create a backyard nook with blankets and string lights for a perfect autumn evening outdoors. Design a seasonal centerpiece for your dining table to bring autumn warmth to every meal. A mantle display with autumn leaves and pumpkins instantly adds seasonal charm to your living room. Set up a reading corner with cozy throws and warm lighting for peaceful fall afternoons. Use your windowsills as mini autumn displays with flowers, pumpkins, and candles. An outdoor fire pit is perfect for crisp fall nights, creating a gathering spot full of warmth. Add a touch of fall to every entrance with handmade wreaths full of autumn colors. Decorate walls with fall-inspired art to bring the beauty of autumn indoors. Lanterns and candles on the patio create a magical ambience for autumn evenings. Mix seasonal flowers with herbs and planters for both beauty and a subtle autumn scent. Personalize your fall decor with DIY painted pumpkins and leaf arrangements. Use warm outdoor lighting to highlight paths and create a cozy, inviting fall atmosphere. Turn your dining room into a harvest feast setting with garlands and candles that highlight the warmth of the season. Create a coffee corner dedicated to fall flavors. Pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and cozy mugs make mornings brighter. Golden curtains add warmth and catch the sunlight beautifully, filling your home with autumn's golden glow. Even a small balcony can become an autumn retreat with blankets, lights, and seasonal plants. Decorate your garden with pumpkins and haystacks for a festive fall welcome. Add simple seasonal touches to your shelf. Spices, garlands, and mugs bring the spirit of fall indoors. A bedroom canopy with fairy lights makes fall nights feel magical and cozy. Celebrate the season outdoors with a picnic filled with apples, cider, and warm blankets. Your front yard can set the tone. Lanterns and leaf piles add a seasonal touch that neighbors will admire. Prepare for the coming holidays early by styling your dining space with pumpkins and autumn vegetables. As the season unfolds, let autumn inspire your home and garden. With every detail, embrace the warmth, beauty, and glow of fall.